Hi, I'm Tom from Dignity Lifts, and I'm going to show you how to set up your commercial lift, the CL1. The commercial lift works on a rechargeable battery. So the first thing you might do when you get it, it's probably been shipped about half charged, but if you want it on a full charge, plug in the battery charger. Plug this part into the wall, and then this part you can either plug over here in the back where there's a little battery symbol, or you can take out the battery itself and plug it in there. So let that charge until the light's on. The indicator glow's green. When it's green, you're fully charged. So there we go. The next thing you want to do is you're going to put on the handles. I have one handle on so you can see what it looks like, and then this other handle. It takes these 4 chamfered Allen bolts. So you're going to put all 4 of them in and tighten them down. Here's my tip. Start with one of the ones that's near the back, because the handles are front heavy and they like to tip forward. So if you put one of the ones in the back on first, it will make it nice and stable so you can get the other ones in easily. So I'm getting started. I like to get started with my hand, and then I use this long Allen wrench to tighten her down. Don't tighten the first one too tight. You're going to put them all in loose. See, now that sort of balances on its own. Tip. I've done this a few times, you might say. And then get these other ones lined up and tighten down. So there you go. And then that will securely fasten on your handles. You'll also have received some white plastic pieces. Those sit in the little crevice of the Allen screws so they don't end up harboring bacteria. So you can put those in next. And that will make it a little easier to clean the lift as well. So we're in good shape, right? Handles. Next, the hand control. There's a piece in the back. You line up, there's a slot with the slot, and it should plug in nicely. It doesn't go in easily, it's not lined up. And then screw on the collar so that it stays in place and you don't end up leaving anyone stuck. When your handle's set, you can test her out. Look at that. Push the up button and it goes up. Push the down button and it goes down. Now, your lift is going to ship with a commode and its rack in place, but we're going to put this lift out. We're going to use this lift mainly with toilets, so I'm going to raise the lift and then I'll slide the commode rack out, just because I know I'm not going to use it. But if you have someone that needs a lift bedside and they're a commode user, great choice. Just lift the rack out, put that aside. Okay. Final thing to do is the push bar. So get this nice push bar, it slots into the 2 holes back here, and there's knobs that you tighten down to keep the push bar secure. There you go. You're ready to push it into someone's room that needs a lift. So that's how you assemble the Dignity Lifts commercial lift CL1. Don't forget to put the hand control